Before Seattle was a tech giant or a cultural icon of music, a group of kids gathered to play a championship football game, coached by a man we all respected and looked up to. Kids trying to figure out what it meant to call yourself a man. We were rough around the edges, loud, wild, insecure, but we had someone who showed up every day, not to coddle us, but to shape us. Coach Bird didn't talk about character, he lived it. He expected everything from us, not because he wanted control, but because he knew what was inside of us. He pushed not to break us, but to build us. In a time when praise was earned and correction wasn't cruelty, we learned that strength doesn't have to be loud and love doesn't always have to sound soft.
Gillich's the only guy out there that's given real penetration. He's playing a heck of a ball game at tackle.
It wasn't the same thing. We didn't need it. We wanted it. He didn't need slogans or hashtags. His presence was enough. His standard was enough. And long after we took off the pads, we still carried the lessons of showing up, standing tall, and being the kind of man others can count on. We're Gen X. We had paper routes, rode BMX in the rain, came home and the streetlights hummed. We were friends first, before everything else. Sometimes it would rain for weeks. But when the sky finally opened up those summer sunsets, they made you believe.
Number 40, Bobby Irwin. Number 14, David Easley.
We lost some friends.
Number 24, Fraser Collier.
But we never forgot them.
Number 25, Jeff Johnson.
The waters of the Puget Sound were our playground. A sanctuary. A place to feel isolated if you want.
34, Steve Freeman.
We fell short this day.
77, Jerry Smith.
They had a beast at running back.
Nathan Brown.
We had a passing attack that not many kids have at that age. Two styles, same mission.
Chris Klein.
They figured us out.
33, Brian
They packed the field, triple coverage, quadruple, didn't matter.
85,
But we had heart. Our tailback was not big, but he was fearless. You don't see 11-year-olds playing hurt today. And all of it, this whole season, this whole journey, played out right here, on a muddy little field, on the shores of Henderson Bay, where everything seems a lot simpler, easier. The smell of the salt water, the sound of the seagulls. It just feels like home. The question is it still the home that we know? And if it's not, what can we do to change that?
Leaves are falling all around. Time I was on my way. Thanks to you, I'm much obliged for such a pleasant stay. But now it's time for me to go. The autumn moon lights my way. Now I smell the rain, and with it pain, and it's heading my way. Sometimes I go so tired, but I know I got one thing I gotta do. Ramble on. I know the time is now. sing my song. I'm going around the world, I gotta find my girl on my way. I've been this way 10 years to the day I gotta ramble on. Gotta find the queen of all my dreams. Got no time for spreading roots. The time has come to be gone. Though I helpfully drank 1,000 times, it's time to ramble on. Ramble on. I know the time is now. Sing my song. I'm going around the world, I gotta find my girl on my way. I've been this way 10 years to the day I gotta ramble on. I gotta find the queen of all my dreams. I can't tell you no lies. Mine's a tale that can't be told. My freedom I hold dear. How years ago, days of old, when magic filled the air. It was in the darkest depths of mortar I met a girl so fair. But golly, the evil one crept up and slipped away with her, yeah. There ain't nothing I can do now. I guess I'll keep on rambling. Yeah, gotta sing my song. Going around the world, I gotta find my girl on my way. I've been this way 10 years to the day I gotta ramble on. Do my baby. Do. I can't stop this feeling in my heart. Every time I think about it, I think we got a part. I keep searching for my baby. My baby. I gotta ramble on.